Federation betrayed teachers and has definitely betrayed students. In the election, one of the reasons this government won this election was because they promised students a 30% reduction in tuition fees. And let me tell you how important that is to us. In Ontario, we pay some of the highest tuition fees in the world. In Ontario, we pay the highest tuition fees in Canada. In order to learn, in order to serve the people of this province, if you want to become a nurse, if you want to become a doctor, you can be paying upwards of $30,000 a year, depending on what your tuition fees are. And that is shameful. This government tried to bribe students and said, we will give you 30% reduction in tuition fees. Well, let me tell you where we are today. This government promised a reduction. Instead, less than 1/3 of all students have received any money at all. And in fact, just a few weeks ago, they announced again that tuition fees were going up. This government has increased tuition fees 71% since they've been in. Since Dalton McGuinty has been in, up to 71%. And that means that students are going more and more into debt. That means that when you as a student are sitting in a classroom, you can also be looking forward to the 3 jobs that you're going to have to work afterwards if you can have it to help fund your education. When you're sitting in a home trying to learn, trying to make the grade, while you haven't had that much sleep because you've been at your job, the person sitting next to you who's very, very, very wealthy has had no trouble and is getting marks and is able to go get the scholarships and is able to go to grad school and is able to continue in their education. Whereas the people who are